Understanding reference numbers, a deep dive.
Hello there, and welcome to this insightful video on understanding reference numbers and their diverse use across different industries. Reference numbers are vital components in various fields. They help in tracking, locating, and identifying specific information.
What are reference numbers?
Reference numbers are unique identifiers assigned to transactions, products, cases, or any item that requires tracking or identification. They can include numerical digits, alphabetical letters, or a mix of both. Reference numbers ensure efficiency and accuracy in data handling.
Reference numbers in the retail industry.
One common use of reference numbers is in the retail industry. Here, every product is usually assigned a unique SKU, stock keeping unit, number. This reference number is used to track inventory levels, sales, and product information.
Reference numbers in finance and banking.
In finance and banking, reference numbers come into play in various ways. For example, in banking transactions, each transaction is given a unique transaction reference number. This helps both the bank and the customers to track and identify specific transactions. Similarly, when you file your taxes, the IRS assigns an electronic filing identification number, EFIN, to your file.
Reference numbers in logistics and shipping.
In the logistics and shipping industry, every package or consignment that is to be shipped is assigned a unique tracking number. This reference number is used to track the package's location, status, and delivery details.
Reference numbers in healthcare.
In the healthcare industry, patients' medical records are typically assigned a unique patient identification number. This number is used to access the patient's health records, track their treatment progress, and for billing purposes. As we've explored, reference numbers are widely used in various industries to bring about order, efficiency, and accuracy. Their ubiquitous use highlights the significant role they play in different sectors. We hope this video has helped you understand the practicality and utility of reference numbers.